Let's start by logging into our REVE Chat account. If you don't have any account, you can try by signing up for a 14-day free trial. Now select the Chatbot module from the left navigation bar. Click the New Brain AI tab and select the Knowledge Base submenu. After clicking, we will land in the Knowledge Base window. Here, we will create knowledge bases to ensure chatbots can respond to queries accurately and quickly. Let's add a new knowledge base by clicking the Create button. A pop-up will appear where we have to add a name to the knowledge base. After clicking the Create button, we will land in the Knowledge Base Details window. Here, we can add and train data sources or update sources by deleting and re-uploading them. At the top info box, we will be able to see in which chatbots this knowledge base is connected with, how many words have been trained, and how many source files are added. Now, let's add a new data source to our knowledge base by clicking the Add button. A pop-up will appear where we can add URLs or PDF document files as data source. If users want to create the knowledge base using their company web domain, users can add the URLs automatically or manually, whichever they prefer. By selecting the first option, users would only have to provide their main web domain, and all the subdomains would be automatically added. But users can limit how many domains he wants to add by enabling the Fetch Link option and providing the number of domains he wants to add. For this tutorial, let's add 10 domains. After providing the data sources, system starts to prepare them for uploading and are added once they are ready to be uploaded. Based on the provided data sources, the required time may vary. Once the data sources have been uploaded, they need to be trained to respond to any customer's queries. During training, our system crawls through the added data sources and generate vector response using the LLM. While uploading the data sources, no LLM tokens are consumed. But during the training phase, tokens are consumed to create the repository. Now, let's create a simple LLM chatbot. Navigate to the My Chatbots tab and click Create New Bot. A pop-up will appear. In the pop-up, we will have to provide a bot name, bot display name, and bot designation. And lastly, we are going to select Brain AI for the bot build with option. After providing everything, we are going to click the Create Bot button. We are going to land in the Chatbot Builder page. Click the connector point of the starting point and drag to an open space. The Chatbot Action panel will appear. From here, go to the Advanced Actions submenu and select the Brain AI action. In the new action, we have to add a text message that will be showed to the visitor when the bot triggers. Then, we have to select the knowledge base that we have trained earlier to respond to visitors' open-ended queries. We can limit the number of customer queries our simple LLM chatbot can answer before transferring to the next action by changing the number of response, or we can select Unlimited, where the chatbot will try to answer customer queries until satisfied. We can custom buttons to each chatbot LLM responses if we want the customer to direct it to a different node. Let's add a Talk to Agent button that will trigger a new node and transfer the chat to a live agent. We will transfer the chat using the Chat Transfer action. In the Chat Transfer action, let's provide a bot message that will be displayed to the customer that the chat is being transferred. Next, we are going to add a new Chat Close button in our Brain AI action. We are going to add this button so that customers can close the chat if their queries are completed. This button will direct the customer to a new node with the Chat Close action. Let's add a closing text message that will be triggered before that chat will be closed. Now let's publish and test out the new LLM chatbot. As we have trained the chatbot with REVE Chat's website, let's ask queries regarding REVE Chat. For example, REVE Chat's features. As you can see, it has given a list of REVE Chat's features and a short description. Let's ask about more specifically REVE Chat's ticketing feature. After every query, it can be seen that the chatbot requires some time. During this period, the LLM model transforms the queries into vector pattern and searches among the vector pattern of the provided knowledge base. Here, as you can see, our chatbot gave a perfect response regarding the ticketing feature. Thus, we have created a simple chatbot using our Brain AI with ease.